I make very massive use of social channels, and I'm also used to experiment new best practices with my students from other colleagues abroad, and after we exchange our opinions about. I feel part of the family, I'm honest. This is the best thing I love from to be part of this community. The fact that you can improve thanks to your colleagues and your peer.
I'm one of the lead career advisors for the STEAMIT project. We are writing down a handbook for the CAN network, the Career Advisor Network, and it's going to provide insights about teaching integrated STEM. I had a partnership with another Scientix ambassador from another city in my country, and inside the partnership, it was a local partnership. We made local activities with our students, and we shared the activities between each other, and we had a lot to learn from the other students, and the other students learned a lot from us. We had some experiments online, and it was very engaging for the students.
Over 2 years as an ambassador, and I've been involved in many initiatives, many really creative and innovative projects through the European SchoolNet. In particular, the first one I was involved in was a Grow a Planet app, which was an environmental app, which I tested myself, and I tested with some of my pupils who were into coding and gaming, and they really enjoyed it, and I had to feedback. That was my first experience really of working with and Scientix, as a Scientix ambassador, working with the European School. That was a highly fulfilling experience. Only recently I did my first SPOW, and that was very interesting. Again, that was environmental linked. I got that. Was involved in that through Scientix again. I've also contributed to their their STEM campaign. I've done some work in school and projects in school, and I put them up on the map over the last few years.
I'm Scientix ambassador for Poland. I provide some activities for teachers in my city and in my country. We meet 1 month, online or face to face, and ask about new possibilities in Europe and in professional development.